The person who invented the car electric rear-view mirror is a genius. The rear-view mirror consists of a lens, a bracket, a motor, and a shell. On some older cars, the rear-view mirror is adjusted manually. Later, engineers upgraded it to an electric rear-view mirror, allowing you to adjust the position of the mirrors on both sides with just a press of the corresponding switch using your left hand inside the car. Pay attention, as it is estimated that many experienced drivers do not know how to gauge the distance of the car behind them. We can divide the rear-view mirror into several small areas. When the rear car appears near the inside edge of the mirror, it indicates that the car is relatively far from you. Conversely, if the car is positioned towards the outside edge of the rear-view mirror, it is closer to you, so it's advisable not to change lanes at this time. With technological advancements, rear-view mirror lenses have also been equipped with a heating function, which proves very practical for driving on rainy days. Some designers have even developed advanced electronic rear-view mirrors that use cameras instead of traditional reflective surfaces. It would be interesting to know what driving feels like with an electronic rear-view mirror. Like and follow for more informative 3D videos.